Today, you're going to learn how to add an employee in QuickBooks Online. Quick and easy guide. This simple process takes only a few minutes, and once you know where everything is located, you'll be able to manage your team's information with confidence and accuracy. Adding employees properly helps ensure your payroll, reports, and records stay organized and compliant. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. Click the Sign In button and you'll be directed to the login page. From there, choose QuickBooks Online so you enter the correct version of the platform. Once the login page appears, type in your username and password, then select Continue. After a moment, you'll be taken right into your dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the main navigation menu. We're going to open the Employees section, which is where you manage your workforce, update their information, and add new team members. Depending on your version of QuickBooks, this tab may be located in slightly different areas, but it is always accessible from the main menu. Click on Employees and you'll be brought to a new page containing all your current employee records. To add a new employee, select the Add an Employee button. This opens a form where you'll begin entering essential information. Start with the employee's first name exactly as shown on their official documents to avoid issues later. Then move on to the last name. Again, matching legal records to help maintain accuracy for payroll and tax purposes. Enter the employee's email address so they can receive important communications and access tools when needed. Next, choose the hire date from the calendar. This detail is important because it affects record keeping and eligibility for certain benefits. Once all the information is entered, click Add Employee to save everything. It's always a good idea to take a moment and review the details before confirming. You've now successfully added a new employee in QuickBooks Online. Keeping employee information accurate supports smoother payroll processing, better financial reporting, and compliance with labor requirements. Comment below with any QuickBooks topics or challenges you want help with, and I'll create tutorials to guide you step by step. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my next QuickBooks video.